Yo, what's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video. It's nice and early. I'm walking Groot right now and we're about to get our day started. I gotta go run a few errands in the Z, so I'm about to hop into a nice POV drive for y'all. I got the GoPro all charged and everything, so hope you guys are excited for that like I'm excited for that. I already took him down the road, so I'm just taking him in my backyard for a nice little tiny walk. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. The Z is nice and clean, and the GoPro footage will most definitely be good because I'm gonna perfect it before I start the GoPro. So we're gonna go hop into that, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. I hope you guys are having a great day. We're close to 200 subscribers. We're at 171 subs, and I'd like to hit 200 soon. So please make sure you hit the sub button and hit the like button and comment and share the video too. Share it with all your friends. Send it to all your peoples, all your homies, homegirls, your mom, your dad. I bet your mom would like me, to be honest. A lot of moms like me, so I'm sure if you were to send it to your mom, she'd probably like me too. I'm gonna go hop into the car and I'm gonna catch back up with y'all in a little bit, man. And just a time check, it is currently 8:25. All right, y'all boys, we're back here with another motherfucking video, as I said earlier, and right now we're just going for a nice little POV drive. So I hope you guys enjoy this and everything. We're driving manual, of course, so we're in the Z3 if y'all couldn't already tell. And yeah, man, we're just trying to enjoy our day. We just ran some errands and everything. I'm gonna flash the, do y'all ever flash the stoplight to see if it'll turn green quicker? Sometimes I feel like it does. Sometimes I feel like it does work too, but I might be wrong. All right, there we go. What I am gonna do is I will be getting some gas, so I'm gonna cut this off in a second. I'm gonna get some gas, there's some traffic, I'm gonna cut it off, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to the back roads, because the back roads are just gonna be more fun than these main stupid ass roads right now, man. So hold up. I had to go full on the other side of the road, but had to make that turn in third gear, bro. If I didn't make that turn in third gear, I was gonna slide out for sure. If he's turning left, I'm going straight. Yeah, there's no way I'm not going straight. All right, this is actually a fun little route, I'm not gonna lie. That was a terrible shift, my bad, y'all. I'm still learning, still getting better. Come on, don't hate on me too much now. Some nice roads back here though. Really beautiful homes, man. Like, damn. I gotta come back here at night, like no cap. I don't know if y'all feel this way. I tell everybody this. Bro, if you ever go driving at night and you look at cribs, like the houses look 90 times better during the nighttime than they do during the day. And that is the unpopular opinion from me. I think I'll stop on this road though. I'll definitely put the top down for y'all. So you go boom, take that one off, take this one off, put it up a bit, and then you just hit this little button back here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh wait, you put your foot on the goddamn brake, of course. and then you put that bitch back. And then you got the top off, man. I know it's probably a bit windy for y'all, but I'm enjoying my time, man. So I hope you guys are enjoying yours up there, shit. Cause this is amazing. Oh my God, I almost missed fit. Fuck. Damn, that could have been so smooth. All right, I'm gonna pull up to this parking lot to show y'all the whip real quick before I get home. It's the famous parking lot that we always go to, but I never show y'all what it looks like without the top on. I always have the top on for y'all. Let me show y'all what this should be looking like with the top off. They don't be telling you how difficult that should be to turn no power steering sometimes, bro. Fuck. Oh, I only got 5%. Hold up. I'll film it on my phone. Or I'll just film it on this. Y'all, the car looks so fucking good. I love this car. It's so much fun as a convertible too, because you have like your 2 roll cages in back, which I think is cool, which they make like a little cover for right there, but I don't really like it. I kind of just like it being open. They also make on the newer Z3s, like on the newest. All right, yo, my camera literally died as I was saying this, but which is crazy because I literally just mentioned to y'all that my camera was gonna die. But anyway, on the new Z3s, they don't have a sub here. They just have like the 2 buttons for the what's it called, for the top. But anyway, this is like my nice little spot that I like to show up to, because it's kind of cool. It's like a nice little like U-turn with rocks and shit, and I don't know, it just always looks good. Like always brings out the car's colors with the green and everything and all of that. So I don't know, it's kind of fun to just rip around in this bad boy. Today on this beautiful Wednesday, on this beautiful Wednesday, we are running errands in the bad boys today because it's just simply too beautiful out to not. I'm not gonna hold you. So we're gonna go ahead, hop back into this. I'm gonna go home and then I'm gonna see if I can record while I'm driving. But it is a nice little chill vibe though, y'all can't lie, you know, like it is fun. Hold up, I gotta clean this camera, Jesus. Hard body, that shit is tough. Okay, here we go. But anyway, y'all, let me know what you guys think of this content. I really do enjoy making this content for y'all. It's a lot of fun. To be honest, I love driving. Like I said, driving is like my favorite pastime you can give me. Just let me know what you guys want to see, man. That's all I want to know. I want to know what you guys want to see. I want to know if you guys have been liking the content. I just want to know. Share the videos, like the videos. You guys do a good job liking the videos. But comment, let me know, share it, sub up. We're about to hit 200 fucking subscribers. That's pretty fucking amazing in my book. I don't know. That's at least what I think. I think it's pretty cool. Not so many people think of like 200 subscribers being like that big of a deal, but for me, that shit is a big deal, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not backing down anymore. I'm chasing my dreams as I want to, and I'm not letting nobody stop me. Not even, hold on. I'm not letting nobody stop me, bro, because why should I let anybody stop me? You know? Real quick. Oh shit, I just stalled the fucking car. I'm actually dumb. I just caught that on video. What's the mile check? I think the mile check was like 16,800, so. Nothing, bro, nothing. I'm so blessed. Like, honestly, they always tell you to like not take shit for granted, and I definitely don't take anything for granted, bro. Like, I definitely appreciate everything that I have in my life. Next video, y'all be ready? you guys are gonna get another M4 POV, but from the cockpit view from my head there. So y'all be able to see that. I just gotta go bring in this GoPro and get all the footage. I also have to edit a whole other video for y'all because I wrapped my mini bike. So I gotta edit that. And then we also went for a little mini bike ride together. Like I said, we're just gonna be pumping out this fucking content. Like I said, man, I do too much driving to not take advantage of it and getting some content, getting some scrapbooking for me done and everything like that, and getting my goals done. Not only do we take trips together in the cars, but y'all are taking a nice little trip on this big old journey with me. I'm holding this water like crazy, but who gives a fuck, man? We're enjoying life, we're happy, and that is all that matters at the end of the day. We don't allow anybody to affect our moods anymore. We don't allow anybody to affect how we feel. We don't allow negative people to affect us in general, man. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, man, just make sure to hit the like button, hit the sub button. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. Like I said, for the third time, we're about to hit 200 subscribers, so please help me hit 200. I'd really appreciate it, because I can promise you this content is really, the content's good, and it's only gonna get better. And to be honest, I don't really see many people bringing out the purple 2s, the orange Z3s, or even the black M4s. A lot of M4s on YouTube, but I don't see a lot of the 230s or a lot of the Z3s on there. So I hope you guys are enjoying it, man. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said again, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video for the M4 POV drive. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. It's not gonna be called that. The title is not gonna be M4 POV drive, but it's gonna be something along those lines. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Thanks for coming through. Thanks for driving with me. Thanks for coming along on a nice little morning cruise with me, man, while I finish up some errands. And I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. I got work I gotta go get done right now ASAP. And yeah, I gotta go get that shit done. So I'm gonna catch y'all, man. Peace.
Take that risk and go independent. I just turned down 6 figures. It's different. On the phone you was loud, now we're in real life and you're sounding timid.